Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Leslie Hernandez, your coordinator for secondary education. And I'm here to talk to you today about extended school year and how to navigate the SEIS system to actually find the extended school year worksheet that you are to fill out as a team, as a group to determine eligibility or to help make the determination of eligibility. And also to talk to you about where you would actually document those services are the rationale whether or not the student is found eligible for extended school year or not. So let's go on and get started here. So I've already kind of prepped the page. The first thing that you want to do is you want to log on and you want to go to the reference section and you'll click on this little arrow here and you'll get to this page here where it will actually say document library. So I'm just going to scroll down and we're going to go to the eligibility worksheet page, and there's 4 here. So this is the document that we're actually going to be looking at and dissecting today. So I'm going to click on this page here, and then I'm going to go up here. I'm going to open the document so that we can get a better looky look at it. So the extended school year, the first page comprises of the letter of the law of what extended school year actually is. So you want to kind of get, so I would encourage you to kind of read that so that you can get more information. So when you are filling out the document, you'll kind of know what you're talking about. But any student that has an actual IEP can be found eligible for extended school year. This last sentence here, I just want to read to you that such individuals shall have disabilities are likely to continue indefinitely or for a prolonged period, and an interruption of the pupil's programming may cause regression or coupled with recoupment. So extended school year itself is a excess of the regular year. It's an extension of the regular year because our whole goal is to maintain the skills that the student has learned. So when you're looking at the data, you want to look at the data 5 days or more of a break. So again, you're looking at either Thanksgiving, Christmas break, spring break, before when school first got in session or when school just got out, coming back from summer break or something of that sort. But you want to, that is the information that will give you the good information to be able to fill out this form as a team because you're looking at that data. And you can choose which break you want to use in order to collect that data. So the first page has about 4 questions to answer, and then at the bottom it says if you have answered yes to either question 2 or 3, refer to the criteria specified on ESY worksheet on part 2. So again, if you've answered these 2 or 3 questions and they're answered yes, you would just go on and continue on to part 2. Of course, if it's marked no, then I would suggest that you would just go on and stop there. You would not need to proceed any further on this worksheet, obviously. So with that being said, once this worksheet is completed, what you would need to do then is that this becomes a living document. It is part of the IEP forms. So you would attach it to the student's records, and then the original will actually get sent into the special ed office along with the other original IEP documents. So let's just say that you've completed this and it's either a yes or no. Let's go to the service page here so that you can see where you would actually make that determination or actually put those services and that rationale statement there. Okay? So I'm just going to get out of this form here. I'm going to minimize that. I'm going to clear that. And we are going to go to the services of offer of faith. So the services of offer of faith, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find the section of where extended school year actually is. It's right behind transportation. So this whole section here is extended school year and where you would document the information that you gathered from that worksheet we were just talking about. So, extended school year, if they are not found eligible, obviously you will mark no, but you still need to write a rationale as far as why it's a no, okay? And then if it is a yes, you will mark yes, mark the rationale, and then you would add the extended school year services. So it doesn't just stop with you putting a yes here. You have to add the services, okay, that match. So right now, extended school year is It's going to be going on for 20 days, and it's for 4 hours a day. Okay, so extended school year this year is June 17th to July 15th, and again, it's 4 hours, so it's 240 minutes daily. Okay, and if the student has any related services, you want to make sure that those services get captured in this area too, but you have to let the related service provider make that recommendation. So everybody needs to have a clear understanding that extended school year is only 20 days and it's only for 4 hours. So the services that we are putting here have to match that, okay? Well, match the amount of time that the student is actually going to be in school in session. So I'm going to click on this edit button because I added some additional information that I think is really important for you to also know to when you're documenting the services page. So of course it'd be SAI. The district of service would still be the provider of agency group. Depending on if you're just talking about the SAI, it'll look different if it's a related service, obviously. And then you have the minutes there, and then the location here, So the students that are going into extended school year, if they're going into a self-contained classroom, that will be a separate classroom, so that is where you would document that. And then in the comment section, I also added this little caveat. I put that extended school year will not be in session on July 3rd, and taking in consideration that we have that holiday, which is the 4th of July holiday happening, okay? So that's that's the service page, and then I also showed you the worksheet. So you want to be careful when you are filling out this page, make sure that we're filling it out correctly. And that's it, folks. I mean, so I showed you the worksheet, I showed you where the services are. So hopefully this tutorial will be helpful for you to be able to navigate into SEIS and to be able to find the information that you need to find in order to complete the ESY proceedings piece, okay? So I hope you found, again, this tutorial helpful, and good luck with your IEPs, okay? Take care now.